Vicky. No, no. What kind of a dream is this? Asam. No, now. No, now. It cannot be Amaka. Amen. Chineke. It's a bad dream. It's a bad dream. No, no. No, now. It's not possible.
Fire, 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 royal attack. Chiwendi, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Bam, bam. Anything you dare talk, now your matter.
Oh my word, who would do this rubbish? How am I supposed to pass? I don't even have any guard with me. Am I supposed to pick this nonsense? What?
I'm not telling you I'll catch you.
Did you do this because of me?
I'm not telling you if I catch you, I go wound you. You no fear, you tear my papa slap you. You no fear.
Hey, listen, I am not caught up for your madness, okay? Just take this out. I have somewhere I am rushing to. Please.
Ma clear you, you go collect woto today. I go wound you. People go hear this cause. Your minds go dead. What? You tear my papa slap. That man, I need to use and play. You enter my house, tear my papa slap.
Oh, what kind of rubbish is this? I'm not even with any guard.
You don't be. How do you want your punishment? How do you want your beating? Because I go beat you today. I go wound you.
Do you want to flog me? Are you forgetting that I am the princess? You want to embarrass me?
You see the talk, Abi? I don't get time for plenty talk. How do you want your punishment? Choose now. For your hand or for your back. Fast.
You want to flog me? God!
This time they follow you play. Choose fast.
Calm down. Be calming down. Chinwendu.
Where do you want it?
My ass. My boom boom boom. Please take it easy. It's quite expensive.
One lie down fast. Lie on the car. Fast.
Slow down. Please just take it easy, okay?
Fire, royal attack. Chiwendi, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Bam, bam. Anything you dare
Lie! Don't explain to get me that bad. I go wound you. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
I'm going to die.
Come this way.
Well, let me explain. Please calm down.
I don't vex me. I don't vex you.
I'm going to
Lie down. Lie down. What's in the
You know that the palace, the people of the palace.
Why? Okay, you're the man. What did I for here? What did I stop for this place? What did I man? Am I living now? What is this? I go break on my head. Stop them and call it one day.
Fire, royal attack. Chiwendi, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Bam, bam. Anything you dare talk, now your matter. I want upon your sender. It's on Kokasi, Akakasiba. I want upon your sender. It's on Pekasi, Akakasiba. Where you want make it happen tomorrow. She is ready for the thing today. She know the fear at all. She went to lay. She is guarantee, she went to the shake at all. Bumbo dumbo, she is guarantee, hey, she went to the shake for anybody. Bumbo dumbo, Gida Fusa, Ida me fair. Gida Nunti, Machiriganya. If you think you the crazy, Macharukwanyagi, not you want to be crazy, your mouth. This your spelling mouth, where you they use the
My queen, I cannot release that very land to the royal house for any amount, for any penny, not even for any reason. Because that land is my birthright land. And I intend that my son inherits it the way I inherited it from my father. There are certain lands you don't sell in a family. Out of my good heart, I gave your husband, the late king, a plot of land very close to this very one, as a gift on his coronation. And now, years later, you are inviting me to the palace that I sell the remaining land of my family to you? No way.
Ichie, you're saying rubbish. You will do it. You will hand that land over to us. Yes, you will.
Young man, watch your tongue. Am I your mate? What is going on here? I am a nobleman in this great kingdom, and I deserve some respect.
Oh, shut up, you useless man. You deserve no respect. Respect is only for the rich and royalty. Now listen, I don't need your permission to take that land from you, but you must give that land to us. Else you will not like what I will do to you. I am not joking. Foolish man.
Queen Dora, and you're here, your children are insulting me? Where is that manner and respect that we command in this great kingdom?
Oh, spare me that nonsense. You're nothing compared to us. You will sell that land, Ichi.
Alright. I want you to push me. I want to let you know that that land is not for sale and you will not have it. Hey!
Oh, you must sell it.
Nonsense.
Congo.
You must sell it!
Walking out of me.
That is nonsense. Nonsense! No, I will not sell my land. Can you imagine the prince and the princess? They want me to sell my land? Let me die. I will not sell that land. My son must build on that land. I will not sell the land. You cannot force me to sell my land. No.
What nonsense? Are we going to beg? Are we going to beg for what is ours?
Mother, I've had enough of this man. I do not want to be pushed to the wall. Because when I do, I'll handle it my way. And I'm certain none of you here will like it. Talk to that man. We need that land. Of course, you know what we'll gain if we have that land. You know the worth of that land? We'll make out millions from it. Gosh. Talk to him. Else, I will do it Adure's way. And my way is always dangerous.
Mother, listen to me. You are the queen of this land. And you have the final say. We won't take that from that man. No, we won't.
Adure, I need you to summon the elders. I need to speak with them now.
I'll do that right away.
I feel like squeezing this man. I feel like killing him right now. How dare he walk out on you, the queen of this land? That has never happened before. I feel like killing him.
Relax. Relax, son. I am still on top of this game, you know. Okonkwo, you want to test the substance I'm made of, right? Very well then. You will feel it.
Hey, customer.
Good morning, pretty.
I don't tell make they call me pretty. My name is Wendy.
But you know you're a pretty lady, right?
Oh.
Anyways, I got something for you. Just give me a minute. So, this is for you.
Hey, Chimo. Chimo, this man, you don't use style they win my heart too.
I decided to stop by and give that to you.
Wait, I want to ask you one question. Why be say every time when you pass, you must branch give me gifts?
Because I like you and I see a wife in you.
Wife, I beg, I know fine reach all these city girls, so all those girls where they hot, I don't near them.
Chiwindu, you know you're so hilarious. So, half all my food now. Is it ready?
Indomie don't ready, remain egg. Just give me some more time, I go fry egg.
Oh, well, I trust you. I know you're a very good cook.
Yes. But what you dey yarn like this? I don't understand. Say Queen Adora wants our land, your birthright land. Bomb there ahead, she dey mad.
I don't know. She has been disturbing me concerning that land. I don't know what is there. I don't know why she wants that land, but she wouldn't let me rest.
She no collect that land, you no go fit sup. Papa tell you say make you not dash her husband land the other time. You no agree, you go dash them. Now they want another land. I don't understand. I go fight oh. No, war go bust oh. In fact, I dey come.
Wait. Where are you going?
I won't go that palace. I won't go clear that stupid queen. Say because you keep quiet, not me say you know they bite. You fit bite. We fit bite. We fit destroy. They go no say person come there and they come.
It has not got into that. Come back.
Come
back,
Papa.
Papa.
They come.
Papa. If I knew I should have just kept quiet. So this has been happening. It's been happening. I've stopped having go sleep. They want to buy the land. I don't know why.
Nothing happen now. They cannot take the land from us now. It's not possible now, Papa. Anyway, Papa, we need to go and pay Amaka's dowry. Since she'll be coming back from NYSC camp.
Something got wrong with you. We are talking something very serious. You are digressing into something else.
Papa, this one is also serious now. It's also serious. I had a very terrible dream the other time. I don't want things to go sideways now. You know, it's been long now. I don't want anything to happen. Because
I want to face my problem. So just leave me alone.
Papa, this is
I said leave me alone.
It's not fair. It's also a problem. It's not fair.
Okay, something you are talking about. Leave me alone. I said leave me alone.
We should go now, Papa. What are you saying? We should go and do this thing now. It's also very important. Because
That thing where you want make it
Papa.
happen tomorrow. She is ready for the thing today. She know that
Come on for road. Okay. I see what is going on. Wow. Wonderful. Last month, una knock my papa elephantiasis. I use all the money when I get from my business to treat the man. As if that was not enough. Last week here, una knock am ulcer. We see they manage the ulcer. I don't catch enough for here. Una don dey plan now, una go take carry my papa land, give this wicked queen. E no go work for now. E no go sup if e sup Macbeth, the wine. The land is very big. In fact, my father has the biggest land in this village. I know, in the enter una eye. The land is very large. It come wide, join. Everybody knows that my papa get that land. Even the neighboring village knows that Okonkwo get that land. You see that land? It don't be you. That land, we no go sell them. We no go rent them. Even to dash you, we no go try them. No think come. Avoid that land, this queen. I'm not well, though. Come on for this place. I will blow your eye. Leave this place before I behead you. Leave this palace now. Oh, you could do that thing. Guards, if they try yam, I go blow their eye. If I want to come out, I will come out here without anybody ordering me. Don't think come. You be queen for your pocket. Guards. But they put body now. See the people in the call gas, they be. You know they would feed. They would be like Washoko. If you tear that shirt now, bones go for ground. You know they get yourself, oh. Avoid my papa land. No see, I don't warn you. Because the next time when I go catch you for that place, your blood go touch ground. They mad.
She is guaranteed.
My queen, we can't allow her go just like that. What boldness, what audacity, just like that.
Suppose you know,
If you think you the crazy.
Urgent. Her Majesty must do something about this. So,
see, my eyes is on that percentage. Let those communication companies come and mount to their pole or mask, whatever is being called. Let me collect my percentage. That's all.
Do you know how much we are talking about? 120 million.
Ubwego.
If this deal is sealed up, I know no fail.
Jesus!
Evil men! Lazy Okenyens! Suzuwe! Witches! So Nana plan, Abi? Una won't make the queen come fight us, Abi? Is that your plan?
Come. Do you want to stab us? Do you want to stab us with bottle? It's like she has started smoking lately. Do you know what we are discussing here? You just jump out from nowhere. You want to come and stab us.
Mark Clay, you're not well. Go ask question. I'm not normal. Did they feel me? If anything happened to my papa, if I find my papa for this kingdom, I swear to God, una children go they miss one by one. Go tell the queen that's why I talk. Oh, this my ear, no they hear peace. Did they feel me? This my ear, no they hear peace word. Send my message to the queen. Make she punk oh. See how they say indomie. No miss, no nothing that they do. I brutal. I dangerous. Did they feel me? I'm not normal. I'm not well. Go ask question. Tell your queen to avoid me and my family. Make she avoid my papa land. Otherwise, it go be for Ramo. I brutal. If I start this war, the war don't go finish.
But that's exactly what we are trying to do. We are trying to tell the queen to leave your father's land alone.
Exactly.
And that's what we are saying here.
Exactly. But let me ask you, why do you always see us, your uncles, as evil men? Why?
Because now they're evil. You think you go fit fool me? You cannot fool me. You people are very evil. I just give you a sample. Next time, dead body go surplus. Send my message to your queen to avoid me and my family. Warn your queen. I'm not normal.
Hey, come. Hey, I thought her mother used to be the only mad woman in her family. This one, Nakeso. In fact, let's look away.
Urgent. We have to kill this young.
Kill what?
Yes, we want to do. We need to do something. Do you know I fear her more than her father? Can you imagine? Okwa one no come yesterday. Okay, no now.
My
love, I'm ready with whatever you want. I'm ready to be called your wife. I mean, after everything you and your family did for me, I can't be an ungrateful fool. You've done a lot. I'm not marrying you because of what you did for me. It's not a payback. You know I love you already.
Of course I do.
I'm marrying you because I love you and I want to say thank you for what you've been doing for me.
Oh, yo. Pinam. Asang Bekin. Oh, man.
So, you know that dream is invalid.
Mm.
Yes, remove it from your mind, your brain, your heart. See what you do. Tell your father you should bring his kinsman. He'll just come and pay my bride price. My mother and my brother, they're ever ready.
Really?
Yes.
You know I love you, right?
I love you too.
I love you so much. I don't know what I can do without you. My love.
Alright, so come let me escort you to the shop.
But you said you are tired.
But that will not stop me from escorting you to the shop. Baby, what of that place you submitted my CV? Have they called you?
Yeah. The thing is that our boss traveled, yeah? He went to the US. But he promised as soon as he's back into the country, he will give you a call. Or call me. Either ways, once he's back, he will call.
Okay. Because me, I'm tired though. You should call me. I'm tired of staying in this house.
Relax. He will call.
Okay. So, the Lagos apartment, go?
Yes, about that. The agent, I don't know what's wrong with this agent. So. I've been calling this guy every blessed day. What is happening? What's happening? He's saying today, tomorrow. Like, he said I should call him back later today. That it's either going to work out today or tomorrow. I don't know. I'm even getting tired already.
Maybe we'll change agent too.
I don't know.
Or shall I give him a call this evening? If he's not saying something good, you change agent.
Abi?
Now there are so many agents in Lagos now.
Anyway, that's story for another day.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's go. I will go to your sister's place. From your shop to your sister's place.
You're not going.
I want to eat Indomie.
What are you talking about?
The best Indomie in town. Please, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, yo.
I said I want to know your place. Do you know who is standing right before you? This is the princess of Umwenze Kingdom talking to you. Listen, I like you. Okay? Fine boy. I want us to go to your place. I want to talk to you in your house. I want us to be more than business associates.
Can you please pull that off, please?
Are you stupid? You don't have respect? Are you mad? I will take this because I like you. Listen, I like you. Okay? I want you to drive to your house while I follow suit. And that's final. Why are you looking at me? Say something. I know you like me, okay? Just say something nice to me and we're good. Just go.
What do you want from me? Is it a crime that I came to the palace to advertise the land to your mom? What is my offense?
And you caught my fantasy. Do you know you should be singing hallelujah to the Almighty right now? For standing close to the princess, a diamond like me. You're so stupid. Anyway, let's go.
Princess Adore, or what you call yourself. I don't care. I'm not interested in you, and please, this should be the last time you contact me for this. Please.
Is this a warning? Huh? Are you... Did you just talk to me like this? Listen, I like you. Get to your car, let's go.
I said I'm not interested, okay? If it's not business, do not stop me, okay? This will be the last time I warn you about this.
You want to hit me? No, come hit me! Have you seen the price I sent today? No way. Come back here.
Can you leave the road? I need to leave now. What is your problem?
What is your problem? Huh? Can you please leave? I need to go. What is your problem?
Come drive off, let me see.
No, that is just that brother. You won't stop. That is you always follow. But I know one day things must turn around. Yes, Leon.
Shima, what are you doing in my house?
Where is your daughter? Why are you requesting my daughter? Now listen to me. If I see your daughter 10 meters close to the palace, I am going to order my guards to kill her and bring her corpse to you. Christina, have you forgotten that I am your godfather? Where did you gather this stupid boldness to talk to me in this manner in the presence of my brothers and in my own house? To hell with whatever you think. I don't bloody care about you. Now listen to me. Tell your daughter to stay away from my palace. And as for the land, kiss it goodbye. Now listen to me. If you dare touch my daughter with that your filthy hands, then be ready to commit genocide. Be ready to wipe out everybody in my lineage. Are you ready? I will be glad to do it. It shall remain as you pronounced. It's okay. It's okay. The battle line has been drawn. Rubbish. As you can see, this thing is getting out of hand.
Yes, so it is.
If I may suggest to you, why not let them have the land? So that the peace we reign now, Kudochia now.
Yes, let it go.
You want them to have my land? Let it go. That is over my dead body.
Hi.
Awesome. My father did not throw that land away. And I do not intend to throw that land away. My son, Echika, we build on that land. Is he not a man like him? Don't advise me that kind of advice anymore. Okay.
Awesome.
Fire, 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 royal attack. Chiwendu, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn.
You dey mad? What did they do you? You won't kill me?
Yes, I want to kill you.
You won't kill me? You dey mad oh. See this small boy. You know say about the price, this stupid preach, you dey mad. Why you won't jam me? Mark Clay, when I dey write WAEC, you never dream to write mathematics for SS1. Don't try this rubbish with me again, oh. Don't try am.
Hey, think you're daring me. You want to die, right?
Come on, this thing for my face. All my patients not dey your house.
Prince, what is this? What is this, Prince Shima? I thought we were family friends. Why are you trying to break the relationship we had with your late father? What is this?
You will shut up. Shut up your mouth. As for you, listen to me. I do not want to see you, your father, or any of your family member in that land. If you do, I am going to kill you. Heads will roll.
They mad.
Heads roll.
They mad. They mad. What is this for? They mad.
Beat him.
I'm gonna beat you here now.
Leave her alone now. Leave her alone.
Fuck this the way you talk now. Fuck this the way you talk now. Fuck this the way you talk now. Fuck him. You dey mad? I go beat you for here. See how they follow you dey play abi?
You have the guts to...
Wait.
Leave her alone.
Wait.
Leave her alone. Hold it. Leave her. Let her beat him very well. Beat him very well, sister. Beat him very well.
Beat them mad. Beat them mad.
Beat her well.
I'm gonna break your head now. The body go surplus.
Do her.
Tell your mama, make you not come back. This guy nonsense with you.
You just stay from Galadima in this world because she never sees something. Anyaga very fair. Maka anyagi very fair.
My prince, that is why we are here, Your Majesty.
Let me get this straight. You are from IC Telecommunication Company, and your company want to mount a max in our land.
Yes, my prince. We have seen a suitable site.
My queen, the land they are referring to belongs to Congo. They came to me, as you know. I just had to bring them to the palace.
No, really? So, which of Okonkwo's land are we talking about here?
Oh, you remember that land he gifted to the king before he died? Just very close to it.
Oh, I see.
Your Majesty, the IC Telecommunication, we are ready to strike a better deal between us and the owner of the land.
What's the significance of that particular land?
I guess this network max will be located right on that land, right?
Yes, my prince.
Yes.
Like I said earlier, it is a stable site where we can fix our marks. And that is why we are keen on getting it done before the end of this month.
I see.
So, is it your company's intention to acquire full ownership of the land?
Whichever, buying, renting, we just want our marks to be mounted as quick as possible so that it can easily reach to our subscribers.
To our customers.
Very well then. I've listened to both of you, and I think I understand what you want. But for now, you need to go, because I would like to speak with my cabinet members and get back to you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Majesty.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you, my prince.
I said I am interested in this business, and on no account whatsoever will this conversation leave this palace. Oh no, I'm actually referring to you. Do not, I repeat, do not relate this to Ichie Okonkwo. Am I clear?
But Ichie Okonkwo is the rightful owner of that land, and he must be informed.
No, hold it there. Hold it there. Please. You have to understand the queen, my mother. Yes, we will take it up from there. But to avoid some kind of chaos, please, I beg you, I do not want this whole thing to be associated with Ichie Okonkwo. It should be out completely. I beg you. Oh no, I beg you.
In that case, my queen, have a nice day.
You too, if you wish.
Mother, I think these people are ready for business. They are ready to do business with the royal home. Yes. 150 million will not be a bad idea. I mean, that's a good money. It's a good money for us. Yes, and I am very, very sure that they can afford it.
Mom, I have laid eyes on the land. It's enormous. We have to take that land from Okonkwo's family. This is bold business, and they are ready to yield.
Queen Dora, you asked me to come here. But you'll be staring at me without saying a word.
I asked you to follow me and you agreed to that, right?
Yes.
Then stay mute and watch me.
Wait, let me just go and wait for you at the channel.
No, wait. Iche, why are you blind to the fact that my body craves you? Iche, listen. I am a woman and I need a man. I need a man's touch. A noble man like you. Please. You're my husband's friend. Why don't you want to satisfy your friends' wives' cravings?
Wait. Okay, wait.
I am begging you. Please. Even if it's just a hug, please.
Okay,
wait. You see, we are not doing anything wrong here. You are a widower. I am a widow, so we can be for ourselves. Please don't deny me this opportunity.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen.
Okay.
Will you listen to me?
Okay.
Just leave me. Let me talk. Let me talk.
Okay.
You see, what I feel here is that I am betraying the friendship I have with your late husband, the king. And you know, I actually not supposed to touch you or even behold your nakedness. Please, I know I am a widower, but I am not ready for this now. I'm facing my children. Please.
There's something you're getting wrong with. You get something all wrong.
No.
These children you're talking about, they are all adults. And sooner than you know, they will all get married and they will leave you a lonely man. I want to keep
I have planned for that. Please. When they grow up, the right way, the marriage. Wait.
Please. Your congo. You dare reject me? Very well then.
What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? In my house again?
You did this to me. Iche, you did this to me. Me. Is it me? You did this to me.
It's okay. I know what to do. I will tell your children that you need a man in your life because you're getting worse every day. If not that I'm a member of the cabinet, I don't think I will come to the palace again because you embarrass me every now and then. What's the meaning of this?
Is it that you don't understand me? Yeah? Is it a crime for me to fall in love with a cute nobleman like you? Yeah? Okay, look at me very well. Am I not please? Look at me. Don't I look beautiful? You're not even looking at me. Please. Would you rather I go out there and mess up with those young boys? Please. I want you to help me, please.
I told you, what is the meaning of this now?
Okay, look. Don't you like what you
I don't want to look.
You don't want to look? Look, you love it.
I don't love it.
You don't love it?
No.
You like it, you're pretending.
I don't like it.
Oh,
leave me alone.
What did you call for here? What's going on? Push on me, no, they get to now. Say, get.
Just the phone, Deputy Jesus. Just the phone, gonna be my
I want that very land. Yes. I know he is your elder brother, but I want
that particular land.
Mother, what is going on? I thought you had plans.
It seems the plans are no longer working.
My queen, we will try to convince him in selling the land to you. You know it's not going to be easy, but we're going to try.
Honestly, I got the quiz. I got the quiz in my queen, but we know what to do. It's our elder brother now. That land, Ogadeganya, we belongs to you. Ogadeganya.
Make sure that your best is more than enough. You know this is business, right? Both of you are partakers of this business. As a matter of fact, both of you are going to be 2 million naira richer if this business clicks.
My queen, we won't relent. Look, we know what to tell him now. Very soon, it's here somebody together. I'm promising you that.
Do not fail.
Mbano.
Do not fail me. Else, both of you will be written off. And it will be one of those royal fracas stuff.
My queen, anyị bụ ọkụkọ ga-agba ọbara ka ike ha anyị. Nsogbu adọrọ. Ka anyị bịa ọ bịara ije mụ na.
Just a phone, Deputy Jesus. Makanyagi, Afuberi. Just a phone, Galadima. Afubri Faibaki. Makanyagi, Naba, Afuberi. Makanyagi, Afuberi.
My queen, what are you talking about? That land is not for sale. And I'm not giving it to anybody. Because it is my birthright land. But I can offer to you any other land at any amount that you want it. But for this, it's a no-go area.
Ichie, listen. It's as if we are pleading for too long. Why? We are royals. We don't beg for what we want. The royal family is offering you a sum of 5 million for that land. It is because I need it. I need to build on that land. In fact, I want to expand my mansion. And you're saying you don't want to sell because of what? Why? See, let me tell you something. I need that land. There is no two-way about it. Not too much talk about this.
Prince Chima, I am sorry to disappoint you. I gifted your father, the late king, a land very close to this one in question. And please, stop being greedy over the land that does not belong to you. That is my land.
Beg your pardon.
Chima, sit. I said sit down, Chima. Sit!
Old man, watch your tongue. Watch it!
Has he got into this?
I would like you to go home and have a rethink. Ichie Okonkwo, look at me. I do not want war. I sincerely appreciate the relationship we have built over the years. But do not drag the royal home. Do not push us. You know as much as I do that I can have that land with or without your consent. But I decided to respect your consent. Ichie, please respect me.
Oh. So that's why you want our relationship to go beyond family, friendship? That's why you want to sleep with me?
Watch your tongue, man. Are you insane? Are you out of your mind? Children around and you speak nonsense?
No problem. No problem. No problem.
You will release that land. Either by hook or by crook. Nonsense.
You just stay from Galadima in this world because she never sees something.
Mother! 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 No! Stop! Mother! Don't you dare! Don't dare!
Put down!
That land belongs to us! That land! I don't want to hear anything! Right? That land belongs to us!
What's going on here? Bring that thing down. What's happening?
Can you imagine? She went to attack me on my way.
What? Is she mad? That's not possible. What gave her the guts to attack you?
Just calm down first. Just relax.
Hey, this is war. Let's go. What? Let's go where? Do not do anything. Come back here. Come back here. What I do? Come back.
Echi, follow me, go that place. Echi, leave woman. I'm on go that place. Where you there?
What is the meaning of this?
Papa, they come. I won't go that land.
To do what?
I won't go that place. Make I see the bastard where go enter that land. They mad. In fact, you see this juju, and they go dig out for that place. I want to see the person where go chop pokpo, where go gather moral, remove this juju. And if I they come out, I go pay town criers. Make they announce, give everybody say, I don't put a guna ballet for that place. I want to see the idiots where go gather moral, dig this come out for that place. Now go punish the person.
She go inside. No, Papa, leave her more.
Leave
her more. I support this one.
You are supporting her.
I support this one.
You are supposed to be.
Leave my sister alone. The royal family has been messing up. They have been playing Oliver Twist on that land, Papa.
Ichi, you are supposed to. You are supposed to.
Stop her, Papa.
Even you. I didn't say you. I didn't tell you. I didn't say you don't kill anybody. Oh. Don't go.
It's okay. Remember your health.
Come back, oh. Come back. Chiwando!
Where is that bastard?
Chiwando! Come out here!
Come out!
Chiwando, come out here!
Yes!
Chiwando, come out! I'm waiting for you!
Come out!
Are you sure? Chiwando!
Where are they?
I want to see you come out here! If you know that you're a full-fledged woman, come out here!
Check the
Let me check the back here.
Yes! Every living thing in this house should come out! Stupid! Who else is in this house? Where are you, Chiwando? Hey! You old fool! Where is that rotten daughter of yours? Where is Chiwando?
Enough of this madness.
Shut up! I am talking to you. Where is your daughter?
I said enough of this madness.
Don't look like I'm joking with you. Are you mad?
Do you know who you are talking to? Do you know who I was to your father when he was alive?
And so? You are nothing. Provide your daughter to us now! Where is she?
Now who gave you the right to come yell in my house? Hey, now get out of my compound. Hey, get out of my compound!
Are you mad? Are you stupid, this old fool? Do I look like I'm playing with you? You dare ask the princess and the prince of this kingdom to get out? Because of this your stupid house! What do you think you are? Who are you? Are you mad? You did crazy?
You slapped me? Prince Chima, you watched your sister slap me! Old man, now get out of my compound.
I'm the downstairs.
Listen. I am not here for all this jumble. Bring out your daughter here, and now!
When the material of this man, Uncle, shot him on the leg.
I said you get out of my compound.
Get out. Are you mad?
I said get out of my compound.
You want to play with this? Both of you, get back to the palace this minute. I said, leave this place this minute. I'm back to the palace.
Can you imagine? Your stupid daughter slapped me.
That's a lie.
She slapped me.
My daughter did not do such a thing. She did not. She cannot.
Your daughter slapped me, and I will not lie. Your daughter slapped me, and I will not lie for any reason.
She cannot do a thing like that.
This is a lie. What you are saying is a lie. This thing is not acceptable. For your daughter to slap a noble man in this kingdom. Not just a noble man. Her father's best friend.
Shut up. Shut up, you old man. My daughter did not hit him. That's what I'm saying. You don't afford to say about my children.
Oh. But let me tell you this. This is not acceptable. It is totally wrong. And the elders must meet for this.
Let me remind you.
Yes.
I am Queen Dora of Omonze Kingdom. And I do whatever I wish. And you know that. Excuse me.
Queen Dora, gather your children together and give them good training.
Don't tie this thing. Make I see how they go take enter this land. This juju when I construct. Don't tie am. Make I see who go gather moral enter this land. Come out am. I go let them know say I be man and woman in one body.
Bam.
What that fire them?
Bam, sister, I support you well. And I sure say now those our useless uncles. Now then they support them for this nonsense.
Now them now. And then they push the prince. If I say this relationship we get with the royal family, they don't like him.
They're not gonna succeed.
As it be now, I don't cut the relationship. Because I don't even benefit anything from them. Now they want pack our land, they want collect from us, and we not go agree.
We not go agree.
Put the pound front well.
We not go agree.
They mad. Make I still go get my car enter this place.
Come make I tell this one here first.
Cross them. Cross them.
They crazy.
What's it?
Brother, I just saw the princess slap your father.
See the king? Princess do anything.
My papa, she's mad. I go cut person today. I go cut him.
From on no account did you tell any of them what happened today. Did you hear me?
But this thing is not fair now. It's not fair now. Look at what they did now. Me, I'm so flabbergasted for what happened though. Me, I will talk. Oh, I will talk.
I said you should not tell them. What is that? I don't like this.
Papa, what did I hear so? See that premature princess slap you? Eh? What's that?
I told you not to tell anybody.
Papa, I said it's me and you that is there now. Did I tell anybody?
Wait though, Papa. That useless princess slapped you. Is that true?
Ha!
Yes. She did not slap me. Nobody slapped me.
She not fear, she slap you.
She not slap me.
What go tell?
Ha!
Their body go suffer and they come.
Nobody slapped me.
These people, they don't too do. They don't too do. We go get us for this village, though. Leave her, sister. Make she go find that useless princess. As for me, I go dig there, find that prince. They will collect today. They will clear.
If you kill anybody,
I don't want them to kill anybody.
Papa, they are not killing anybody. See your health.
Okay.
I've been telling you, stop putting this thing. I don't like you to be putting this kind of thing in my food. Get it, what in the air? Mama?
There is fire on the mountain. There's fire on the mountain.
Where?
Wait, follow me. Stand up. Stand up, let's go. Palace. Oh.
What is happening in the palace?
There is fire. Again, you are very stupid. I said, let's go. You're asking me a question. Are you okay?
What is happening in the palace now?
This
dog is not. Wait, let me take my phone.
Quick.
Palace.
Let's go. We're in front. Move.
What is the market?
that girl have not seen anything. I'm telling you.
You know, I'm only respecting our mother. Else, she would have seen the other side of me. She mad. What's she even feeling like? Look at that nuisance.
Just look at you. Look at both of you. How dare you? How dare you disobey me? Why did you slap Ichi Okonkwo? Why? And you? Did I ask you to slap him? Did I?
Oh, mother, please stop it. Wait a minute. Do you expect me to clap for her? For attacking my own brother? The prince of this land? I won't even take that. And I'm sure you know.
The Chinwendu that I know would not slap anyone or attack anyone if you had obeyed me. What is this? We already had this conversation. I told you I am going to manage this my own way. As I talk to you, plans are on the ground. And you, especially, put that thing down when I'm speaking to you, fool. Why do you want to ruin my plans? I told you I was going to handle this my own way. Plans are already going down and you are going to ruin it. Why?
She's lucky. Because if I handle her my own way, she will not live to tell the story. What nonsense? What is she even feeling like? She thinks she can come to this palace and talk to my mother the way she likes. She lashed out on you, mother, and you expect me to do nothing? You see that land? We are taking it. Bro, that business, we are running that business. I don't care what's going to happen.
I said... I want to teach them. I want to beat them. Make I beat them since you know they beat them. Come on from my front. I'm not well, though.
Who do you want to beat? Hey, shut up.
They follow me.
You dare slap my father. You let this your filthy hands on my father. You!
Hey,
sister, beat this girl now.
Who are you?
Put mother, please come out of the way. My sister, beat this girl well.
Shut up!
Woman to woman, beat her well. Woman nonsense.
If my hand touch you, I go beat you like small pikin.
You cannot try it. I am the princess of this land.
Stop!
Beat her, sister,
I'm not
beat
scared
her
of
well.
you. I am not scared of you.
Hey, who are you? Huh? What is all this nonsense? Don't allow me to... Is this some kind of royal...
I don't even know who he is.
What's this? If not for mom plating, I would have dealt with you.
Okay,
Yes.
I will beat you. Shut up! You say you! Hey, stop! Stop!
Beat him, sister, beat him well.
Stop it! Shut up! Can I listen to myself for once? Shut up!
It's okay.
I teach them lesson. Hey, why she go slap you?
What your daughter? What is animal you call a daughter?
Me animal.
Yes.
Me animal.
Stop! Stop! Let me alone.
Leave them alone. It's okay. Huh?
Okonkwo, as good as you are here, can you please take this mad dogs of yours out of my palace this minute?
You are addressing my children.
Papa, what is it?
Hey!
Papa,
Feed him! Go and feed him! Give him food!
This man, eh? Blood go flow!
Say lie!
Papa!
Take him out of here!
Help!
Pray nothing happened to my father! You pray nothing happened to my father! Papa, don't do this now! Don't do this!
Out of my father's palace! Take him away!
Wait, please help me! Hey, wait, come here, leave them, Sorry, Papa. Pray nothing happened to my father.
Go and treat your sick father. Go and treat him.
Dr. Alpha.
His blood pressure is abnormal, but he'll be fine.
Doctor, please do everything possible to make sure he's alright. Please, doctor.
Sure, he's going to be fine. But you just have to let him rest for now. Okay. So, which of you is his son?
I'm the one, doctor.
Okay, please see me in my office. I'll sign some papers.
Alright.
Sister, please, come
in. Make my papa well first. This fight never finish.
Chiwendu, can you please calm down? If I hadn't seen you while driving, I wouldn't even know what's happening. Please relax.
I'm not gonna relax, so. This stupid princess no fear. Enter my papa cup, tear my papa slap. Because I know that she knock and slap. It don't be you. Now what just start? If I catch this princess, if blood not come off her body, call me bastard. I go show and shake. You go see her.
Jubendu, please, it's alright, okay? We should be concerned about how Papa will get better. That is the most important thing now. Please, just relax yourself. Alright.
And you must tender unreserved apology to Ichie Okonkwo for what you did. That's the first thing first. And to you, I am totally disappointed in you. In few weeks' time, you will be a king. Is this how you are going to rule us?
Shut up. Shut up, old dirty man. What is wrong with you? Have you gone out? Wait. You want my own sister to tender that unreserved apology to who exactly? After what that Chiwendu came here to display? You can't be serious.
Bro, this man is nothing to talk about. He's not worth it. Obviously, he's high on a cheap drug.
And to you, Queen Dora, let me tell you this. The cabinet of this kingdom will not hold any meeting concerning crowning your son, Chima, as our next king. I promise you that.
What? Wait for me. No! Just wait for me!
Chima!
I'll be back.
Chima, stop!
Must be very, very stupid!
Nonsense.
Chima, you don't do anything stupid.
Where's that old?
Chima, let's
Where's that old man? Where is it?
Big.
Oh!
He was just
Look,
something
I'm here.
and you know that.
You just stay from Galadina in this world, no, because you never see something. And you go for very fair.
My prince.
Yes, you're welcome.
My elders, why the urgency?
My prince, she barricaded the whole place with Omo.
Yes.
That will now have access to the land. Omo touch everywhere.
My prince, I have one or two things to add. I told you we have our ways. We have plans. We know how to do things in our own way.
What nonsense are you talking about? What stupid Omo are you talking about? I'm going to go to that land and remove that Omo immediately.
Mbao, Prince, that Omo can be removed by the same person that put it to.
I don't care. I don't give a hook. Is that why you're panicking? Huh? I don't want to hear your voice. What nonsense are you talking about? Omo that you will literally remove with your hands. She is acting what she is.
Oh, yes. Alright, I'll be with you shortly, okay? Jesus. How did you find my place and what are you doing here?
Do not tell me you are dating that patron, that man that sees herself as a woman, Oscar. Oh, stop it. Don't tell me you are having an affair with your fellow man. Oh, really? So you joined hands with her to attack me in my father's palace? Huh?
Just stop it, okay? Who are you? You feel you can just drive down here to invade my privacy?
Privacy? Oh, where? This is nothing.
Listen to me carefully.
This is just a heart. Shut up.
This is my property. Okay? You better leave now, else I'll call the police on you.
me. I'm so scared. Call the police on me. Do I look scared? Go and call the damn fucking freaking police on me.
Do not push me to the wall.
Hey, you do what?
Better leave now that it's still early.
You do what? You know, I am really glad I followed you without your notice. But you see that girl? Have to end whatever nonsense that is going on between you two. I forbid it. I am yours. You are freaking mine. You have no other business with any other human on earth aside me. Right? Do not try me again, else you will not like my outcome. Excuse me.
I am not yours.
Say so.
And you're not my mother or my sister or my future wife. How could you be so wicked? Huh? Look at how you beat that poor man. You're a disgrace to the royal home. You know what's good for you? Leave now, else I will call the police on you and I won't repeat myself again.
Oscar, I'll let this slide. Because I like you. Don't try it when I'm in a bad mood. And as for that man, what you witnessed is nothing compared to what I will do to her when I see her around you next time. I will not take any form of disrespect from any human. Don't try me. It's nothing. I can do worse, you know, right?
It is obvious that you're insane. And you're mad.
It's nothing.
Crazy girl.
Oh, Yochi, hold it for me. No, yeah. Let me be looking out for you now. Before the Madoga Mateba. Huh? Oji, me will not see something. What happens here? Thank you, Father. Yeah, Maka. Ah, wait.
My praise, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Well, I am so proud of the woman you have become. Yes. I remember so many years ago you were working as a maid in a palace. And today, you're a graduate.
It's God.
Proud of you.
It's God.
I want you to come to the palace tonight. Don't fail me.
My praise for what?
For long time's sake. I mean, you don't forget where you started from.
My praise, if you don't mind, I was heading to somewhere. I'm going there.
Hey! Nah, want to kill a chago kube. Galachia. Galachia. Ilu chago kube. Galachage. Hey!
See them? I don't catch you that. That thunder go fire una. Una papa. Na me and una for this village. You can't dig champ for my papa land. Hey! You don't be oh. War don't start. See the champ. Okay. Okay. Chimo, they don't plant charm for our papa land.
sister, what is it?
I think I close eyes small. Now I dream say they plant charm for our papa land. I go remove them.
Are you sure, sister? Because I think you are overreacting.
I know what they talk. I know what I see. And anything when I see, they come to pass. It be like say they don't remove the omu when I put for them.
Sister, be cool. I beg you in the name of God. Calm down first. Let Papa get well first. Let us get out of here before you start with all these ones again. Be cool.
Amaka don't go.
Yes, she left some minutes ago. And you, sister, you need to go home. Go home and refresh.
And they go straight to that land. And they go come out.
I will spend the night with Papa.
Fire.
I beg, take it easy.
Please
take it easy.
The battle line has been long. Anything you dare talk, now your matter. I want to go on your send.
Welcome. Sorry you was coming to my place for the first time at night.
No wahala.
So this is my home, this is where I manage.
You're fine. I like her.
Thank you. Jimmy, you love me, right?
You saw when they ask me this question, be like say you won't bribe me. You won't make I forget what happened today, Abi?
No, Chimindu, it's not about that, Chimindu. I really do love you and I want you for the rest of my life. Please, just tell me you love me.
I love you. Even you know say I love you.
I know. Chimindu, promise me you won't fight the royal family anymore. And promise me you won't fight Princess Adore. I want you to just live a peaceful life.
Which kind of talk be this one? In fact, we will unlove ourselves now. I no do again. No, because that girl must collect beating from my hand. I don't make a vow to myself say I must beat her. You see that princess? She must collect beating woto from me. You go see her.
Just try and understand me, okay?
Nothing to understand. In fact, come carry me to go my house. You don't vex. You don't spoil everything. Make I dey go.
No.
No. Make I dey go my house.
You know I can't allow you go.
You don't make me vex.
I am concerned about your safety. Please. If anything happens to you, what would I do?
Nothing will happen to me. I won't beat that girl.
Okay, fine. Just calm down, okay? You just come in. Just go in and have your bed, okay? And then let me get you something to eat.
I won't go beat that girl.
Okay, fine. You will not do it, but not today, please. I beg you, okay? You know you make me happy. And I don't like to see you upset. Let's go. Okay?
Chiamaka, you did not eat your food. Why?
Mom, I'm not hungry.
The prince was here earlier this evening.
What did he come to say?
Why are you asking that one? It's you, of course, now. Or you were not trying at the compound. It's you, of course. He came for you. That's what he told us.
I can't remember him telling me that he's coming to see me, so... Well, maybe he came to see that of you.
Ekene, you're saying, Won't you say anything?
But Mama, I'm saying something now. Eh?
Ekene, is it not obvious that the prince is liking your sister?
Liking my sister? In what aspect, Mama? Is it that the one you want to sleep with her? Because I know the prince very well with women. Or they like him. Which one are you saying?
Ekene, I'm saying something.
I'm not in for this night's gossip. I'm not in a beg. I'm not in. I'm not at all. You obviously like me. Again, I'm
So
saying
are you sure
something.
you don't want to sleep with my sister and just drop her like that? You know how that guy used to do. I'm not in for this all night. So coming inside, come with your lamp.
Again, I'm saying something.
Doc.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any problem?
No problem. Just came to check on the patient.
Okay.
You are good, right?
Yes, doctor. Hello. I don't know. Yes. No, the doctor came already. He said everything is fine. Papa is sleeping now. He's sleeping. He's okay. He's responding to treatment. Okay, no problem. See you tomorrow then. Okay, sister, no problem. And you try and be safe, eh? I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, sister. Got your phone? Please be safe, Biko.
Maki.
Okonkwo, my friend, I am sorry. I am not part of this.
I know. But why are you crying?
I died in pains, regret and betrayals. I don't have restful body here, but destiny and fate I cannot undo.
I beg of you, my friend Dikeh. I am lost. I do not understand.
My spirit is not happy, but I cannot do anything because I'm not of this world. I am of a different world now. Look at Dorothy, that all of you thought she was good to me.
Maka anyagi Just the phone, Deputy Jesus. Just the phone, Galadima. Makanyagi na bafu berai. Makanyagi afu berai fe. Oga free fei pakia. Afu free fei pakia. Afu free fei si ajua. Makanyagi afu berai fe. Afu free fei pakia. Afu free fei pakia.
Look at the animals you call my son and daughter.
You just stay from Galadima in this world because you never see something. Anyaga for very fair. Just the phone, Deputy Jesus. Just the phone, Galadima.
This was revealed to me in the other side. I keep watching without helping. The living and the dead has nothing in common. And I do not have power to do anything.
Chima! I do that!
Father!
Oh.
Father! Father! What have you done? Chima, what have you done?
That was how I was killed by Chima, my former driver's son.
So Chima is not your blood?
Oh yeah, my former driver was sleeping with Dorothy in my absence. Not only him, my PA Andrew was also sleeping with her.
Andrew was married, but he died of ulcer last year.
Yes, he is the father of Adure.
You mean Chima and Adore are not your blood?
They are not of my blood, and they are not of the royal blood.
Oh yeah, your driver. Do you both see yourself out there? I mean, the dead people's world. Do you see yourselves there?
Here is quite different. It will take a long time for you to understand. Whatever that occurs in life remains in life. So you do not judge or condemn. Here we dwell. Now go in search of Choma.
You mean Choma, your first love?
Yes. She is out there in the world. She was destined to be a queen. She dwells in a kingdom very far away from our land. Look for her and you will understand.
I will try as much as possible to look for Chioma.
A telecommunication company wants your land, but they went the wrong way in order to respect the kingdom. They met with the royal house, and that was the genesis of your stay in this bed. But do not worry. You have a lioness. Even in the spirit world, her mother is proud of her. She is a crown on your head, and the crown will not fall.
Papa? Papa? Papa, what is it? Papa! Papa! What is it, Papa? Are you okay?
Stone in my food!
Son, what is it? Why are you racing like what?
This ugly thing cooked a meal full of stone. She wants to kill me.
Calm down. Stop. She's not the one that made the food. I did.
You trying to tell me that you made a meal for me full of stone? Or you're trying to come out for this girl?
Stop!
Ah!
What? Are you crazy? Are you insane?
Dad?
Since you came back from Europe here, you have been beating everybody under my roof. Are you mad? Wait, what is wrong with you? Or have you been taking drugs?
Father, you splashed your drink on me because of this ugly thing. This one here.
Yes, I did. And if you dare me next time, I will do more than this.
You know what? I am not in the mood for this drama. Excuse me.
Get the hell out of my sight.